Dr. Seamus with Immunohealth here, and today I'm talking about resistant starch. And a starch is a type of carbohydrate, it's a chain of glucose, and this here is talking about resistant starch. So it actually resists digestion and makes its way to the colon or the large intestine, where it acts as a soluble or fermentable fiber. And so the friendly gut flora there ferment this, and it creates something called short-chain fatty acids. One specifically is butyrate, which is actually very, very nourishing and healthy to the colon cells there. And so we want more resistant starch in our diet for a number of different reasons. One is that it promotes better insulin sensitivity. This is going to ward off insulin resistance issues and the likelihood of diabetes and metabolic syndrome and that kind of thing. It's going to lower blood glucose levels. It's also going to promote better weight management, weight control through increased satiety. And as well, it can help with heart health and overall just digestive health so that we're not dealing with IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, and those kind of GI conditions. So as far as some of the best sources, things like oats, and I've mentioned this before, but look for gluten-free oats. They are naturally gluten-free, but in the manufacturing process, oftentimes they are in the same plant or area where gluten and wheat is, so we want to make sure there's not cross-contamination issues there. So look for gluten-free oats. And then also things like cooked and cooled rice as well as potatoes. When you cook it and then cool it, it increases the resistant starch content. And then things like certain gluten-free whole grains like sorghum, as well as beans and legumes and raw potato starch, as well as green and unripened bananas have a higher amount of that resistant starch as well. But I just wanted to break down really what this is, why it's important in some of the sources here. So let's see if we can get a little bit more resistant starch in the diet. It's going to feed the friendly gut microflora, again, produce that butyrate, which is healthy to the colon, and it can start to improve insulin sensitivity and just do our heart health wonders, as well as it can improve digestive health, which we need to really look to because that is such a central aspect of overall health. If we can get good gut health, we're going to have good body-wide health as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you found something insightful in here pertaining to resistant starch.